Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. Kind of cloudy and drizzly out. Still a good day to be alive. Brought this truck up 5 years ago for a very, very dear friend of mine. She come out of Mississippi, up on top of a big mountain. The guy that owned it was a logger. He took really, really good care of this, believe it or not. Didn't get the abuse. She is a gorgeous truck. All virgin truck. Very, very nice truck. It's got some gauges and stuff, but old Raj takes good care of this. She got a couple of miles on it. Nothing major. She's just a good, clean, old, solid truck. Straight from Mississippi. She never sees no salt or no snow up here. It's the only way you can keep them. Kind of making this video today because kind of a warning. When you guys are driving your trucks and stuff, you got aggressive tires on, you're gonna get tire noise and stuff. Just because you got aggressive tires on and you get used to the noise, you got to pay attention to them. Every once in a while you got to get out and do your walk around. You hear an unusual noise, you got to check on them. A lot of people down south have had this happen to them. Not too often up here. Old Raj had a tire blow back here, and she beat the snot out of this truck. She got into this box side but good. We got another bed coming. Look at that, just peeled it right up. Crushed the exhaust, messed the bumper up. We got another bed coming for her. We're gonna put it on there. She is clean. Beautiful truck. He keeps her up. This is his baby. Wintertime, he gets to go look at her. He just keeps her nice and clean, keeps her hid. And he brings her out for the summer enjoyment. Not too awful many of these clean girls left around. You guys got to watch your tires. You hear unusual noise? Get out and check them out. Don't let this happen to you. That hurts. Y'all be safe out there. We'll see you around. And thank you very, very much. Bye.